supply is a device that used to keep the electrical requirements safe when there is a loss of significant protection in primary power source. To achieve this, the UPS had several batteries to take over when it detects a loss or reduction in the available power. Once it is detected, it is transferred over to a battery, and there is an inverter comes through the plate. The battery's DC voltage is converted into AC to the devices. Sometimes when there are spikes of power or sudden drop where the devices are entirely shut down or powered off, with the help of the UPS, all systems can run as normal as they work, and they can also compensate for reduction of power. But only the UPS can last less time. It also depends upon the capacity of the battery. At the time we can shut down all the devices properly.
Since a UPS is a system that uses batteries to power a system, should be supplied to compromised. We of course have batteries and a battery charger. Since the battery uses DC current and the incoming current is a AC current, we need to convert DC into AC using an inverter. Finally, we need to switch between the AC incoming supply in battery power. For this, we use something called transfer switch. So, to break it down, these are the parts we need for a basic UPS systems, that is batteries, the battery charger, inverter and the transfer switch. This is the block diagram of UPS. The incoming source will be in AC current, and then the rectifier will change the AC current into DC current, and then the battery will be getting from the battery to the inverter. The current will be coming as the DC, and the inverter will change the DC current as AC current. Then it will transfer through the transfer switch to the outlet. Through this short video, you can understand the process of the UPS and how they are interconnected between them.
The UPS is of three types. First is standby UPS, second is online UPS, third is line interactive UPS. Standby UPS, when the main power is on, the UPS output is supplied by the mains and the inverter is off. When the main power fails, the UPS switches to inverter output to provide backup power. The advantages of offline UPS are cheaper, more energy efficient, then smaller than the online UPS. Offline UPS or normal weight UPS, online conversion UPS. In this type of UPS, the system always remains on battery whether main AC is present or not. When the main AC is present, it provides power to DC supply of inverter section as well as charges the battery simultaneously. When main AC is not present, it will run the connector load till the battery has a recommended dischargeable level. Voltage regulation is the main application of the online UPS system. Third, line interactive UPS. In this design, the battery to AC power converter is always connected to the output of the UPS. Battery charging is done during the times when the input AC power is normal. When the input AC fails, transfer switch opens and the inverter starts functioning to provide power to load immediately.